Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are continuing to organize the house. So it is time to organize this fridge. I'm gonna show you guys what we've got going on, and then I'm gonna completely empty it, wipe it down, and then restock it. I also have all of these containers, don't worry, wiped them down, cleaned them, they're good. But I have all these organizers, and I'm gonna figure out how I want to organize everything in the fridge. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to show you guys, unload everything, wipe down everything, and then put it back in there. And I'm just doing the fridge. I'm not doing my freezer. My freezer is an absolute disaster, and I haven't figured out how I want to organize that. So we're just doing the fridge today. So let's get it started. All right, so here's the inside of the fridge. There's a lot going on. It's very unorganized, but the good news is most of this is like still good. I need to throw away those tomatoes and that fruit platter, but I think that's the only thing in here that's like bad. Everything else is good. So yeah, and then we have all of this stuff, which I'm gonna go through. There's a lot of stuff that, since switching to a more paleo lifestyle, I don't use anymore. So there's probably a lot of things that I need to throw out, or maybe somebody else could use. Like there's margarine and butter, which we had for like the Christmas baking stuff that we did, but we don't use those things. And so I'm gonna try to clean everything out, keep the stuff that's still good, and get rid of the stuff that is not, or that I can't use. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's very cluttered and very messy, but I will say it's like clean as far as like the only things I need to throw away are those two things. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna set you guys up and we are going to take care of this. Okay, so now I have everything emptied, and now I'm just gonna wipe down everything because there's just like, it's just gross. I really want to get better about cleaning out the fridge at least like once a month, because I feel like I'm good to get rid of bad food, like the actual food, not like the stuff that sits here. Yes, I know you're mad because you're open, but I'm not good with like taking everything out and wiping it down and that sort of thing. So that's what I'm gonna do, but I am gonna close this while I go get this stuff to wipe it down because I'm tired of it beeping at me. Also, we have way too much stuff going on here. So I'm very excited to get rid of some stuff and organize all this stuff because this was just kind of a mess. But that's the theme of this year's going through stuff and organizing it, and I want to be less wasteful. I feel like, you know, stuff gets put in the fridge, it gets pushed to the back, you forget that it's there, and next thing you know, it's expired. And I want to be better about not being wasteful, using what we have, like looking at stuff and being like, what kind of meal could I make around this, versus like going to the grocery store and getting like a bunch of new stuff for a different recipe, if that makes sense. So, all right, I'm gonna go wipe this down and I'll be back. Okay, so I got it all wiped down. It's not like a perfect wipe down cleaning situation. I think eventually I want to take everything out and like scrub it with soap and water. But for now, I just wanted to have a nice wipe down sort of thing here. So that's what I did. I wiped down these also. So now the fridge is ready to go. And now it's time to go through all of this food and figure out how we're going to organize it. Okay guys, so here's the finished look at this. So I'm gonna kind of explain. So on top we have our pitcher of water and all of our like juices, coconut milk, coffee, that sort of thing in this little thing. I feel like it just keeps it like all together, you know what I mean? And then here we have some leftover chili that we had last night, and I put all of our eggs in this little container. We actually don't really eat eggs, so unless a recipe calls for it, we're not really eating those. But we had some because we had used some for a recipe, and there's a couple other things I want to make that I need eggs for also, so it worked out. Then here I have all my vegetables for the week, and I know normally you'd put them like down here, but I feel like when I put them down here, I forget that they're there. And so I wanted to have it in a place where when I open the fridge, I see them. So the good news is everything in here I'm going to be using this week, so it's fine, but that's why it's up there. I know some people might be weirded out by that or whatever, but this is just the system that works best for me. I want it to be clean and organized, and I want to use the things that I have, and I feel like produce is like one of those things where I will just forget that it's down there. You know, because when you open the fridge, you're just seeing like this stuff. And so I wanted to have it up here. Now I did put my carrots and the ginger root down there because I wasn't sure what to do with that. I want to put the carrots in like Ziploc bags because those are for snacks. Then we have some salmon. That is for tonight's dinner, so that won't be in here much longer because I'm going to make it for dinner. I have some butter and margarine, wow, I can't talk, that I'm going to see if James's parents want or have any use for because I don't use that. Then I have like all of my flavored waters down here. Like I said, the carrots and the ginger root, and then I have some of Dixie's treats and some paleo cookie dough down there. Then over here I have like all of my sauces and stuff that I can use for me like on paleo. Down here I have some stuff that like James uses the jelly. He might use sriracha sometimes. This is teriyaki sauce that I thought he could use for something. We have some wasabi, and then we have some Casey Masterpiece. I just couldn't throw this away. So, you know, I'm not full-time, like never eat fun stuff again sort of situation here. So I will definitely use this at some point, but it just felt wrong to throw away Casey Masterpiece. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Kansas City, so it's a big deal. And plus, it's really hard to, like this one, I had to get back home in Kansas City because you can't even buy it here at the stores because North Carolina thinks they have better barbecue. It's weird. Anyway, down here we have a couple pizza sauces that James can use, and then my vegan cheese, as well as some chocolate syrup and some caramel syrup. I'm gonna see if either James wants to keep it for any reason or if like maybe his parents want it because it's still good. I don't use it. And then down here we have vegetable juice and beef broth, and I use those things for like beef stew, so I just put them there. Up here we have some ghee, my eye mask things, and then this like random energy bar, and I was gonna see if James wants that. So yeah, that's the finished look at the fridge. All right guys, so that is gonna wrap up the fridge organization video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click subscribe for more organizing videos. Let me know what else you want to see in my house, you want to see me organize, because there's definitely a lot to go through. The goal for 2022 is to organize this space and get rid of stuff I'm not using. I don't want to say become a minimalist because I don't think that'll ever be me, but declutter, get rid of stuff I'm not using, and just be more mindful of the stuff that I get and the stuff that I have in my house and that I'm using. So definitely subscribe and let me know what else you want to see me organize. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.